Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to witness the process of sowing ginger into our home garden. Only couple of days back we have seen how to sow turmeric into the home garden, into the grow beds. And today we are going to demonstrate you how to sow ginger into the grow beds, into the urban garden. Friends, the most of the process of ginger and turmeric sowing are same. But all the friends who are coming first time to my channel, I will show all the process into this video. Last year, we have sown this ginger into the grow bed around 1 foot diameter and 1 foot height. And we have got the very good results. We have got around 10 times multiplication of the ginger seeds. So this time, we are going to test this ginger into this grow beds. These grow beds are shallower than the grow bags. But we are confident that we will get the good output from this shallow grow bed also for the ginger. For that, we have 3 types of grow beds over here, and we are going to sow 3 different types of ginger into all these different 3 grow bags. This will give us a comparative analysis of the variety which is most suitable for the homegrown condition or the grow bed condition. For that, we need to make certain preparation and we'll follow the sowing procedure. For preparation, first we need to clean all the remains of the last crop from these beds. So here we have okra, some cowpea and some other things into the summer. Now we are into the month of May, and today first we have to clean all this bed before doing anything or amendment to this bed. After cleaning the bed, we'll amend this bed with the cow dung manure and neem cake. And then we'll cultivate this, make the soil loose. After that, we'll follow the process for sowing. All that information I'm going to demonstrate into the further part of the video in detail. So, to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let us see how we are sowing the ginger into this grow bed. So now we have cleaned all these beds, and now we are adding the manure into these beds. So we are adding around 5 kg of manure per bed. These beds are around 10 feet long and 1.5 feet wide. So in an overall, they are around 15 square feet or 1.5 square meter. So we are adding this manure at the rate 3 to 4 kg per square meter. So here we are adding around 5 kg of the manure into this bed. After this, we'll dig out this bed and make this all the mixture of the soil and the fertilizer homogeneous. So now we have added that cow dung manure. Now we are adding up some of the neem cake. So neem cake will give us the good booster dose of the nutrient, as well as it will protect our new plant from soil-borne diseases and insects. So we are adding around 300 gram of the neem cake per bed. So that is again 200 gram per square meter of the area. So we have added this neem cake, and now we need to dig it out and mix it well and cultivate it well. So friends, now we added all the type of manure and fertilizer into this grow bed. Now we are digging it up. This process will make all the soil or media loose enough to get the good aeration, as well as whatever we have put into this as a manure will get mixed well with the soil. So whenever our ginger crops start new roots, it will immediately get the food and start growing. So first we will complete this. Then we need to lightly level this bed, and then we can start our sowing procedure. In the sowing procedure, we will see the distance to maintain and the process of sowing. But first we will complete this digging work for all the beds. So now here, these are our ginger seeds. We have taken 2 varieties of the ginger seed for the weighing, and each one having 20 tuber into this. Now the plastic cover has a weight of 75 grams. So we have already deducted that 77 gram from this weighing scale. And now we are going to weigh this. This is coming around 297 gram. It means this ginger pieces or ginger tubers are weighing around 300 gram, and these are a total 40 numbers. This means each tuber is weighing around 7.5 gram, and per bed we are going to put the 20 tubers. So per bed we are going to put around 150 grams, and we'll see how much ginger we can get out from these beds. So friends, now all the beds are ready, as well as all the seeds are ready. We have already done the weighment for these seeds. We have taken 3 varieties, and on an average we have taken 7.5 to 8 gram of the tuber for the sowing. We have deliberately taken a smaller size of tuber as we are going to take a trial into this grow bed where the space is less. So ultimately it is count the how many times or multiply the tuber seed. Now we are going to sow this tuber seed into this bed. The sowing will be at the same distance as the turmeric. So we have a 10 foot of the length of the bed. So what we'll do, we'll put a 1 tuber at every 1 feet, and we'll make another line at around 12 inch, means around 1 foot away from this line, and we will put the seed in between of these 2 seeds. So it will be zigzag pattern of the sowing. So each plant will get the enough space. Now we will see how we are sowing it. But for that, first we need to place the tuber into this bag. So what we'll do, we'll put 1 tuber each at 1 foot distance like this, and in between this, at 1 foot distance line, we are putting 1 more tuber into the bed. So first we'll set all the tuber like this, and then we'll start the sowing. So this is how we need to place the tuber first. After that, at the time of sowing, we simply need to dig a small pit. This will be equal to the 2 times of the thickness of this tuber. So we must cover this tuber or lower this tuber by the 2 times of the thickness. So we'll make the small pit. We'll put this tuber into the laying down position. So the new eyes coming from the side have a better chance to grow. And then we'll put this tuber into this and cover this with the soil. This completes our sowing of the tuber into the bed. Once we sow all the tuber, we have laid down the drip already. So we are going to put the water with the drip. But before starting the water, we'll cover this tuber with the mulch. So we'll use the dry leaf mulch, good amount of the mulch for covering these tubers. And this will give a good boost and good condition for the germination of the ginger tuber. And that's all about the sowing. Now once this sprouts, we need to maintain only the water. Rather to say, instead of water, we must maintain the moisture. And this will give a good condition for this ginger to grow well. Now we can fertilize the ginger after 45 to 60 days for the further growth of the tuber. But before that, if the mulching is rotten, we can add some mulching also, and particularly after 60 days, we can add some of the cake as well as the wood ash. This will give the potash and will give our tuber a good growth. So this is how we can simply grow ginger at our home garden very easily. So friends, if you are also planning to grow ginger or interested in growing ginger at your home, make your preparation like this and sow this like this. And you can harvest very fresh ginger at the end of 7 to 8 months up to the 10 to 11 months, and have a fresh ginger for your consumption. Happy growing!